Hey everyone, welcome back to Cordova's Kitchen. My name is April, for those of you that don't know me, and today we are going to be making some Mexican rice. Everybody loves my Mexican rice, and hopefully you will too, which I'm sure you will. I'm always asked if we have a get-together or something to bring it to the gathering, so it must be good. Okay, we are going to get over to the stove and then we are going to get started. Okay, first off, we are going to get some oil in our pan. And I'm going to pan you down so you can see better. Get the stove turned on at a medium heat. You're going to fill the bottom. Now this, I'm going to make probably about 2 cups of rice. I have my container of rice, and as what I do, my measuring isn't very good, but I have a small little sifter, strainer, and as what I do, I fill that up to the tippy top. Okay, and then we are going to let that get hot. And I used to wash my rice, but then I found it to start getting a little bit more sticky, so I have stopped doing that since then. So let's get this in here and we will get started. And we are going to toast the rice until it starts getting slightly brown. And we will come back and check that out. Okay, while that is getting toasted, we are going to switch over to here because we need to get stuff ready in the blender to be able to pour on the rice when it is ready. So I have 3 nice sized tomatoes that is nice and washed. I am just going to get the stem out of the top here and just cut them in half and throw them in. Nothing fancy. The blender is going to do all of our work for us. Again, cut it in half. I can keep a hold of it. Throw them in. Now this, my family loves Mexican rice, and so it always gets ate. It never goes to waste here. Okay, and we're going to put that in there. Okay, now we have half of an onion, which let me get one more. We don't need the whole thing. I can get a hold of it. We don't need the whole thing, but I want a little bit more than what I have there. I'll list everything down in the description below, so that way you'll know your measurements. Okay, that's just another half of a real small onion. Okay, let's go back to the stove. Okay, we are going to start giving this a stir. Don't let it sit for too long in one spot because it will burn. Okay, and let's go back to the counter. Okay, I don't know how much, I might have lost some footage there, but I blended it up really good and I put it in the pan with the rice. And this here is chicken bouillon. Okay, I just have it in my glass jar, but it's just like this one, except the one I use has a green lid. It's not tomato. You can use that, but that's not what I use. Okay? And here's what I do. Again, I use 5 teaspoonfuls. Good size ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, just give it a good stir to incorporate it into all your sauce. Okay, right now it's on medium. So then you want to put a lid on it. And then we are going to wait until it comes to a boil. And then we are going to turn it all the way down on low. Okay, and then we'll be back. Okay, everybody, it has been a few minutes and our rice is done. As you can see, it is super, super hot. But you could take it, a fork, and fluff it up and let it cool off just a little bit. But we like to eat it with our tomatoes and onions and avocado. And we also like to sprinkle a squirt of lime on it as well. But here is the finished look. If I can get my camera. I can do it better this way. There we go. That is our finished product. And it is super, super good. So I hope you give it a try. And I know you will absolutely love it. So let me know if you make it, how you like it. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.